this is two quite similar drones. They almost look identical, but really, well, there are a few similarities. But there are also some differences. This is a 6-inch and this is a 5-inch. I got this one first and it flew really great. This is an ASCL 5 HD. A few months back I changed into this. It's an Apex 6-inch. And I did that because I felt like it was always kind of slow, and this one was kind of not really up to the task of carrying a GoPro Hero 9 Black. And after Chris Rosser suggested going to 5.5 inch for that, I tried that and it worked really well. It felt a lot more comfortable. But I didn't like the frame, unfortunately, so I chose to go with an Apex. And at that time I didn't have the option of going 5.5 inch, and also the prop for the 5.5 inches are quite limited. So instead I went with a 6-inch, and this has been my go-to quad ever since. So let's get out there and get flying. So I just flew these two quads back to back, and as I said in the beginning, these are very similar. There are a few things, and I don't think you can see it on the video, but I felt as with this one I had to push the throttle more if I want to go faster, where this one had, well, sort of a little bit more difficult going in the low end. So these are two different tools. This is maybe for more proximity flying and getting closer to objects, and maybe a little bit more slower flying, where this one goes a lot faster. I personally like the fast one. I like going fast. It's also very limiting depending on the space you got. Where this can go fast, but it requires more battery power. They get about the same battery time, these 4 minutes on light freestyle, nothing too heavy or anything. But I enjoy the 6-inch more. leave a comment down below. Tell me which one you like the most. Are you sticking with the 5-inch or are you considering a 6-inch? Like and subscribe for more content. And also, get out there and get flying.